Do you know what the two most powerful and influential factors are in achieving wealth and success? I'm going to share them with you today, and I'm going to help you to understand the things that you need to put in place to make progress as fast as possible on achieving your goals and transforming your life, and actually how to make the most progress as fast as possible. I'm Marguerita, conscious mindset coach, business strategist, and a light worker from Pitbull, and I have helped thousands of entrepreneurs to clear out their fears, doubts, and limiting beliefs so they could be unstoppable at bringing their dreams to life. Now, there's two primary factors that you must attend to if you want to achieve something great. The first one is mindset. This is a no-brainer. Having an unstoppable mindset means that you will take the action that you need to take, that you will be relentless, you will be persistent, you will be committed to achieving your goals and dreams. The thing about a failure is that it cannot exist if you refuse to give up. If you are committed to going all in and you make your goals non-negotiable, then you will just keep taking action until you achieve whatever it is that your heart desires, whatever vision, no matter how big. It is having that sense of persistence and commitment and absolute dedication to achieving your goal, your vision, your dream. The only way you can fail is to give up. Temporary failure is a part of the process. We've attached this stigma as a society to failure. Let that go. Stop allowing that to run the show. Failure is just feedback. It is an inevitable consequence of you going all in on your dreams and navigating a path that you have never navigated before. If you knew how to achieve your goal and dream, you would have done it already. Your job is not the how, it's the what, because you will figure out the how along the way, and you will experience temporary failure along the way. So as long as you are willing to go, you know what, I'm all in. I'm going to just keep going until no matter what, I'm going to overcome all the challenges. I'm going to experience all the disappointments, all the setbacks, all the frustrations, all the overwhelm. It all comes with the territory. Hate to tell you, I'm going to go all in. I'm going to invest some sweat equity in my future and my vision. Because here's a question for you. If you were to be in the same position that you are right now in 2 years' time, in 5 years' time, in 10 years' time, would that be acceptable to you? How uncomfortable does that feel? If you project yourself out into 2 years or 5 years or 10 years, and you are exactly where you are right now, how does that feel? Ugh, right? So if that is not acceptable to you, if that scares you, then it is time to go through the process of evolution, to the process of change and transformation, and become the person you need to be to achieve your big vision, your big goal, your big dream. I want you now to imagine that whatever your goal and whatever your dream is, I want you to put yourself and project yourself out into the future and see yourself having achieved that vision, that goal, that dream. How does that feel now? So everything is a decision, everything is a choice. You can choose the path of staying stuck where you are right now, or you can choose the path of going all in, getting out of your comfort zone, and experiencing everything that comes along with the journey of transformation and expansion and growth and learning, and go all in. What's it going to be? It's your decision. Every single day you will make a decision either in favor of your dreams or in favor of your comfort. So the second thing, so we've covered the first thing, right, which is mindset, building an unstoppable mindset. A big thing that stops many people from going all in and achieving their dreams is their self-confidence, their self-belief, and their self-worth. Now, you can change that by taking action and acknowledging your successes, the little successes and the little wins along the way, because it is the little wins that accumulate into the massive vision and the massive goal, okay? Now, you build your self-wealth and your self-worth and your self-confidence and your self-belief by having the small wins and by acknowledging that and releasing the stigma of failure. right? Release the stigma of failure. It's irrelevant. Failure is just feedback. So don't allow failure to be a terminal illness. It ain't. It's just a temporary condition that is the result of you taking action, and it doesn't mean anything about you. We have this thing where I failed, so I'm a failure. That is the biggest load of BS ever. You failed because you took action. Be proud of that. It's temporary. Get over it. So now the second thing, right? The second thing is your frequency and vibration. Now, this is where the law of attraction comes in. So many people are failing because they're thinking, oh, all I need to do is positive affirmations and, you know, and be in a good vibe and a good space and elevate my frequency and vibration. And I just have to visualize my goal and dream. The problem is they're not actually investing the sweat equity required to get the outcome that they want. Yes, the law of attraction is working 24/7, and it is, you are either creating your life by design or by default. What you focus on expands. So what are you focusing on? Are you focusing on what you want or what you don't want? Are you focusing on what's going right in your life or what's going wrong in your life? Where is your primary focus? Now, if your primary focus are the problems that you have in your life, are the challenges that you're experiencing, then you're going to stay stuck there forever because you get what you focus on. So what you need to do is then focus on, okay, I have these problems and challenges because I want you to realize that you are bigger than any challenge you will ever face. I'll repeat that. You are bigger than any challenge you will ever face. So once you embody and embrace that knowledge and that knowing, then you get into a state of being solution focused. Now, this affects your frequency and vibration. It's mindset, but affects your frequency and vibration. Because when you are solution focused, you are saying, I know that I can overcome this. I know that there is a solution and I am determined to find it because I'm resilient, I'm tenacious, I'm resourceful, I'm determined, I'm dedicated, I'm persistent. Do you think about those words and the vibration associated with those words? The vibration is actually a very high vibration. These are states of being. These are traits and characteristics that you can embody and embrace that elevate your vibration. They are empowering states of being. So there are traits and characteristics and disempowering states of being, which are disempowering frequencies and vibrations, or there are traits and characteristics that are empowering states of being and elevate your frequency and vibration. So it's not just the law of attraction, and it's not just hard work. It's a combination of two that will help you to make the most progress as fast as possible and make your success inevitable, because you are infinitely powerful. And you have the ability, the capability to achieve anything that you put your mind to. When you embody and you embrace that knowledge and that understanding, you will be unstoppable. And there is nothing that you cannot achieve. So that's it for me for today. If you've enjoyed this, and please remember to like and subscribe. And by the way, if you like this t-shirt, then there is a stack of really great designs in my Shopify store. Go and check them out. I know you're going to find something that you love. And if you are ready to explode your income and your impact, then go and register for my new free training. The address is on your screen right now, and the link is in the description below. I would love to see you there. All you need to do is register for free. I look forward to seeing you on the training and in another video very, very soon. Remember, you've got this. You're infinitely powerful, and you can create anything that you put your mind to. I'll see you again soon.